Ever feel like you're trying to eat healthier, but your cravings just pull you right back to pizza rolls, fries, burgers, chips, and ice cream? You start the week strong, telling yourself, okay, this is it. I'm eating clean. And then suddenly, late night hunger hits. Your friends invite you out. Or that favorite snack in the pantry just keeps calling your name. And just like that, your healthy week turns into, well, I'll just start again Monday. But what if the problem isn't your willpower? What if the real issue is that you're trying to cut out the foods you love? When really, all you need to do is upgrade them. Because here's the truth. You do not have to give up your favorite foods to get healthier or lose weight. You just need to learn how to compromise smarter. So today, I'm going to show you 5 simple ways to turn your favorite junk foods into healthier versions that still taste good. No deprivation. No boring meals. No guilt. If you learn these, you'll never have to start over Monday again. Let's get into it. The real issue with junk food isn't just the calories. It's the cycle it creates. You eat something salty, sugary, or greasy. Your brain gets a big dopamine hit. Your body says, more please. Cravings kick in. You feel out of control. And then, guilt. But here's something powerful. Studies show that when you swap ingredients instead of eliminating foods, cravings can drop by up to 40%. Which means, you get control back. So today isn't about cutting out pizza, fries, burgers, or snacks. It's about remixing them. Way number 1, upgrade your pizza instead of cutting it out. Let's be real, pizza is comfort. But typical pizza is heavy on dough, loaded with cheese, processed toppings, and a lot of oil. So instead, make a thin crust veggie pizza. Here's how. Use a thin tortilla, pita, or cauliflower crust. Add marinara, big flavor, low calories. Use cheese, but not a cheese waterfall. Load up the veggies. Add a lean protein like grilled chicken or turkey pepperoni. And it still tastes like pizza. Because it is pizza. Just smarter. Picture this. It's Friday night. You get that pizza craving. You make this version. You enjoy it. And you don't wake up the next morning feeling bloated or guilty. That's the win. Way number 2, swap chips for a better crunch. Crunch cravings are real. Chips hit because they're salty and crispy, and easy to eat by the handful. But instead of cutting out crunch, upgrade it. Try air-popped popcorn, roasted chickpeas, baked pita chips. You still get crunch, flavor, satisfaction. But now, you also get fiber, which keeps you full. Imagine this. You're watching Netflix. You open a big family-size bag of chips. Suddenly your hand is scraping the bottom of the bag and you barely remember eating them. But with popcorn, you can eat the same volume for 1/3 the calories. And actually feel full. Still want chips? No problem. Just buy single-serving bags, not the giant, party size. You don't need to fight the craving. Just control the environment. Way number 3, turn greasy takeout into a comfort meal at home. Burgers, fries, wings, these hit our deep flavor buttons: fat, salt, crunch. So don't fight the craving, redirect it. Try this instead. Grill or pan-sear your burger. Use a whole grain bun or a lettuce wrap. Add avocado, pickles, seasoning, flavor matters. Make your fries in the air fryer, not a deep fryer. Same satisfaction. Less grease. Way less bloat. Picture this. You hit the drive-thru because you're tired. You eat fast. You feel heavy and regret it afterward. Or you make a 10-minute air fryer meal at home that hits just as hard, but supports your goals. That's what a smart swap does. Way number 4, make dessert work with you, not against you. You don't have to give up sweets. You just need better dessert chemistry. The trick? Sweet plus protein. Protein slows down sugar absorption, which stops the post-dessert cravings. Try Greek yogurt plus honey plus crushed nuts. Frozen banana blended into ice cream. Dark chocolate plus berries. This isn't punishment. This is controlled pleasure. When your sweet craving hits, make a 5-minute dessert bowl that tastes real, because it is. Your cravings will calm down. Your mind will relax. Your body will stop chasing sugar. Way number 5, season like a chef, flavor changes everything. Healthy food is bland. Only if you let it be. Flavor is the real reward system. Use salt, just not too much. Lemon or vinegar, acidity brings food alive. Chili flakes or pepper, heat adds excitement. Herbs, basil, oregano, rosemary, flavor boosters. Flavor satisfaction. Satisfaction, no binging. Plain boiled chicken and broccoli. Nobody wants that. But seasoned well, you could eat it every day. Flavor isn't the enemy. Overeating is. Let's clear up a big myth. Myth: if I want to lose weight, I need to eliminate junk food completely. No. That's how binge cycles start. The real key is control the environment, not your emotions. Swap. Adjust. Upgrade. That's how you stay consistent. And consistency is where results come from. Here's your 3-step takeaway to start today. Don't eliminate your favorite foods, remix them. Pizza swap. Burger swap. Popcorn swap. Combine protein with flavor. It kills cravings. Make your kitchen your advantage. If it's in your house, you will eat it. So stock wisely. Now it's your turn. What's the one junk food you struggle with most? Chips? Pizza? Chocolate? Drop it in the comments. And I'll make a video showing how to make your favorite version healthier. If this helped you, hit like. Subscribe. Turn on notifications. We're building a healthier, stronger, more confident you. One smart swap at a time.